So here's a Fisker dash assembly. This is the HVAC box assembly. You can see the blower here. New expansion valve. This is a whole new assembly, brand new, being replaced. As you can see, a squirrel was in here and there's a lot of stuff down inside there. This is a curtain material. These are not blend doors. So the actuator motors here spool it up and wind it up out, and these will open up, and then the motor will spin the other direction and pull the curtain down and close off the air. So here's the old used one. See a few little slots here, and you can see here how this is. The motors go bad from spooling it inside here, and so that's why they don't fix them. They just replace the whole thing. You can see where the little squirrel was chewing up on the gasket right here. Well, now you have leakage, and just like all cars where squirrels and mice try to get in. But supposedly they don't fix these things, and I need a desk model. I have a few, but I want different kinds. This is a front. I have two rears, or two rears from Toyota's Senecas, and this is a Fisker, and I think I'll have an expansion valve. I'll have the piping. That's the heater core. And I could use this with the blower, and I can make a bench model with an electric compressor from a Prius or any car. I don't care what the electric compressor is. And I could run the compressor on a desktop using an inverter, a 3-phase inverter. And I could do that all myself. And that's it. That's the Fisker. There's another Fisker up here. And this is the Fisker without the dash inside. And you can see the AC connections right there, that little hole right there. That's where the refrigerant pipes come in. Oh, and you can see a cabin filter from here too. There we go. Right there, there's a cabin filter. It looks like somebody, a little critter, somebody tried to force their way through here. This is bunched the way it's bunched the way it is. But, all right. Fisker motor out. All right, see you guys.